Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Q from Q's Basic Cooking, and I'm thinking pulao today. Matar pulao. Matar, that's the green peas. I'm defrosting them. They are frozen peas, and these are 2 cups of peas. 3 cups of rice. I'm making 3 cups of rice, so I'm going to need few small potatoes that I washed and dried. If I see a reason to peel them, I'll peel them, otherwise I'll just cut them in half and they will go in. And for spices, I'm going to need half teaspoon per cup of rice salt, and 1 tablespoon of black peppers, 1 big cardamom, 3 small cardamom, then again 1 per cup, 3 bay leaves, that's again 1 leaf per cup. If you have little dried chilies, good, otherwise you can take the seeds out of those dried chilies and you can use few pieces. 1 stick of cinnamon, medium size, and half a large onion, and 3 cloves, that's 1 clove of garlic per cup of rice. So that's the plan today. I love my pulaos, and that's what I'm going to make today. Our rice is washed and is soaking. I washed it till the water was almost clear, and that's like 4 or 5 times. So rice is ready and waiting, and cut the onion lengthwise. Looks good in the pulao. And just crush the garlic. So we are ready. I forgot one thing before. I have the cumin. ये जीरा है मेरे पास, and this is like halfway crushed, so this 1 teaspoon, this goes in the tadka. And I have 3 slices of ginger. Ginger is optional. If you or your family don't like ginger, don't add, but I'm going to add because it enhances the flavor of the pulao. I love it, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to chop it, or you can just leave it like this in the slices. Alrighty, our pot is ready. Let's pour in the oil. That's 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon per cup. Okay, I'm going to add half of my large onion. If it's medium, use 1. Now let's see. Okay, this is going to fry, and for once I'm going to let it turn really dark brown before I add the rest of the stuff. And the reason for that is because the color of your pilaf, or pulao, depends on the color of your onion. If you want a rich, darker color, you have to let the onions go really dark. Don't burn it. Alright, you can see how nicely onions are changing color. I'm going to let it go till they are all really dark brown. A little, like 30 seconds before they turn really dark, I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic. Alright, now it's time for garlic and ginger and cumin. Everything goes in. Toast for 30 seconds. Doesn't that look good? Alrighty, now I'm going to add a little bit of hot water. And when you do that, I lower down the heat, otherwise I usually don't, because I don't want you to hear too much loud sound. Otherwise it's really noisy and very much messy thing. When you put the water in hot oil and onions like that, it really makes a big splash. Now this is I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let the colors of the onion come out. So I'll see you in exactly 2 minutes. Rice is also ready. I always make sure I strain my rice. I use a big strainer, and this way I just dump it in. I don't have to stand there and just take it out, you know, little by little like we do in the Desi households. Now I just strain it and I dump it in, away from me, of course. You see the dispatch here? That's because the pot I cook my rice in, I always close the steam, so this way, I don't know, the rice comes out better. It's just my own thinking. Okay, so let's see what's going on in there. Nice. You see the dark color coming out? Okay, that's what we were looking for. And we're done with it. Okay, now we are adding the potatoes. Let them cook for a minute. Just for 1 minute. Let them cook for 1 minute, and then I'm going to add the peas. Time for the green peas. There you go. Gonna let it cook for another 2 minutes. Let's turn the fire up a little bit. Okay. Alright. Okay, my dears, in goes the rice, so easily dumped. There, nice and clean, right? Okay. I'm going to turn it 2 times, and then I'm going to add the pre-measured water that's already boiling. Gently, very gently stir the rice. Sorry. Alright, this is better angle. See, it's looking pretty already, right? Okay, I just stirred it 2 or 3 times very gently without breaking them. And I'm going to add the water in it that's I already measured and boiled. Sorry about that. There. I'm going to leave half a cup in there just in case I need it again. You see, it's already simmering because my water was boiled. See that? See, already. Okay, so you can stir it very gently, just like that. Push from the sides to the middle, like that, and then we are going to let this simmer. At this point, it's going to blow up very fast. So when it reach a certain point like this, they are not really soft yet, but they are getting tender. So I will cover it. Until then, let it cook like that. And also, this is the perfect time to check the salt. Let me see. Perfect. You can see how fast it's cooking because this is medium to high heat, and you can see the basmati rice becoming bigger and bigger. So let's give it another 3 minutes, and then we will cover it. Alright, here you can see I very gently turn the rice and the potatoes, and it's almost time to cover it now because let me see. See, it's long, it's soft, but it's not really soft yet. So I'm going to cover it. Usually it's a towel, clean towel that is put between the lid and the pot to give it a dum, meaning keep the steams in. I'm not going to do that. So why? Because I have my little patch over there, no steam is coming out almost, and you can see the steam, you can see how it's going. So I'm going to lower down the flame to very low, and I mean very low. And I'm going to leave it there for 10 minutes. Bismillah. Oh, nice. There you go. Alright, I'm going to mix it a little bit. I think it's done. At this point, you have to be, again, very gentle with your rice. Always turn it very slowly so you don't break it. Oh man, it smells so good. See that? At least I try not to break them. Alrighty, we are ready. Let's eat. Bismillah. Come on over. Okay, I'm just going to go and pour some for you. Bismillah. Just keep your eye on that. It's nice and yummy and beautiful pulao. Potatoes and you got peas, and there you are. If you want to show off, you can have your cinnamon on the side and probably a few more potatoes, A little bit more rice on this side. Okay, my dears, that's my raita, and I garnish it with some fresh mint. And here I have the rice. You can see the black peppers, cinnamon, onions, peppers, no hard spices, no garam masala. This is garam masala. The whole spices is garam masala, but it stays in a very moderate state when you don't use the powder. It's not too hot, and I don't know, I just want to dig in. It looks so good. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'll see you later. If you like palau, watch it, give me thumbs up, give me feedback, share it with your family and friends. Let me know how I did, and I hope you are a pilaf lover, because I am. So please do let me know. I'll see you later with another recipe soon, inshallah. There you go. It's my time to eat now. Happy Ramadan, everybody.